Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I thought it would be interesting to give you kind of a overall look of my beauty room that is kind of a more of a guest room, but I call it my studio. And I thought this would be interesting because some of my subscribers also have small channels, so you can see kind of what I'm looking at, and I think this will be helpful. And if you find this video helpful, then it helps me a lot if you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, you can also subscribe to my channel for new videos every Monday and Thursday. And you can also follow me on Instagram. But without further ado, let me show you around. Okay, so probably the hardest thing I have to show you is my camera. And I have a Canon 750D, and in terms of filming equipment I always have it linked on my description box, but I'm going to try and show you with my phone, maybe. Okay, so this is me here filming, and as I said, this is my camera. It's a Canon 750D. And it's got that flippable screen that it's super useful. And then I also have a cable here attached to my laptop, and that I can actually show you with my real camera. Okay, and then I am filming with the help of my laptop. This is the Canon software, and I can kind of control the settings here and use it as a bigger screen to see if I am in focus. Now I'm gonna unplug you from my laptop and show you around. Okay, so this is the hallway. It's got kind of a not so good lighting because it's already night, but I got a bathroom here, and then on this side would be our bedroom, and this is the door for my beauty room. Once we open up the door, this is what we see, and this is actually all of the lights turned on. So it's a pretty small room, and we are currently using this room as a guest bedroom. So we got here this bed. This is a IKEA Brimney's bed, and this one is one of those extendable beds. So it can be a single like this. It's got two mattresses, and then this part opens and you have a queen size bed, I think. And then this is my desk. So that is the hallway where I came in, and we also have kind of an imbued wardrobe. This is what I usually see when I'm filming. So I had my camera there on my tripod. Now we are still kind of decorating our house, and we don't have any curtains yet, and we also don't have any lamps because we want to paint the inside of our house. Okay, so this is kind of an old carpet my mom had, and she didn't need it, and I think it looks very nice in here. And because the room is not very full, it also helps to absorb the sound of echoes. So yeah, I have my very simple desk. This is also from IKEA, and this is a Linmon with 1.2 meters, and then it's got 4 of the Adil's legs. It's a pretty simple desk, but later on, if I want, I can add on one side or the other a Alex 5-drawer unit. Also, my chair. This is also very old, but it's still usable, so I'm using it. Later on, I want to buy a different chair, but for now, this is what I have. So I got here because I just finished filming. I have some makeup wipes. Also, the desk is not perfectly clean, but I kind of tidied it all up. I got my notebook, with all of my video ideas and schedule. And I also got my planner. Then I got here my makeup brushes and also my perfumes. I got here a few things that I am currently trying to finish, and I got these acrylics from Primark, I think. Got here my water bottle, and this thing I actually bought it from a Portuguese store, so I think you won't be able to find something like this. But this was basically a marker plate or a plate marker, I'm not sure how that's called in English. Then I got there my extra battery charging. It's very useful to have an extra battery. It gives you a lot more freedom to film. So I got my tripod there, and this is a Hama 63, and it is a very basic tripod, but it can be nice and sturdy, and it can be very, very tall. So you can kind of see there that it's got a few things to make the legs taller, and it's only with one of them open. And I do try to make this cable mess to not be too messy. Then I got my mirror there. I'm actually now wearing my glasses. And I didn't think about that, but this is actually a very nice way to show you my camera. So I am holding the body, and then there's the flippable screen, and you can also turn it for you. You can do it like that, do it like that. And this thing here on the bottom comes with a tripod. It's the kind of a attachment part. Okay, so you already saw my laptop. I also bought a very, very simple mouse to help me editing on my laptop, because I don't really get around with the touchpad. This makes it a lot more easy. And I also got a remote. This is also very useful. Then in here I have this kind of reused cardboard box to keep the makeup that I'm using for filming. And in this case I was testing this palette. The video is already up on my channel. You can go watch it at the end of this video. And I also have here a magazine with one of my biggest inspirations. And I also got a trash can. This is from IKEA. Also, I can't remember the name of it, but I'll leave it in the description box. So here we have the said mess of cables. And now for my lights, this is them turned on. And I bought these on Amazon. These are the newer 700 watts, I think. These came in a set of 2, and they were around 45 to 50 euros, and they do have a pretty good lighting. So I am currently filming at night, and this is only my ceiling light on. And now I am not going to touch my camera settings, and you'll see what the difference this makes. So yeah, I just turned them on and didn't change the settings on my camera, and this is what it looks like with them turned on. So I usually do have a lot more time to film at night, and this has made a huge difference for me. Maybe in the future I'll also get a ring light, but for now this is more than enough. And before buying them, I did film a lot of times with natural lighting, but as I said, I do have a lot more time at night. The natural lighting would be enough, but not for me because of my schedule. And this is what they look like from the side. So they both come with tripods, and you can also adjust the height and the angle in here. Then I got here this really small and old TV, but as this is a guest bedroom, it's nice to have a TV here. I got the candle from Primark, and I got my Alex 9 drawer unit. Now, as to my makeup collection, I am not going to show you in this video because next month I'll have a reorganizing my makeup collection video, and then in November I'm going to do my updated makeup collection. So if you'd like to see that, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that is kind of the overall view of my beauty room. Okay, so I am standing as far back as I can here in the corner, and this is what my filming area looks like. It's kind of a very simple space, but I am so blessed to have it. And my channel is still pretty small, so I can't afford to buy a lot more equipment, but I feel like I already have a lot, so I am super thankful for that. Okay, so this is the space that I currently have for my beauty room and my YouTube room, and I really hope this video was helpful. If it was, then give it a thumbs up because that helps me a lot, and it also helps me a lot if you subscribe to my channel for new videos every Monday and Thursday, and also for other videos like this. And yeah, that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!